Good afternoon. I am Professor Eric Vance from the University of Colorado Boulder in the USA and the Director of the Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Statistical Analysis, or LISA, and our global LISA 2020 program. So welcome to the final day of the LISA LCWU Tidyverse workshop. This workshop is an effort of LISA 2020 member Professor Asifa Kamal and others with support from the International Statistical Institute, or ISI. The ISI mission is to lead, support, and promote the understanding and development and good practice of statistics worldwide by providing the core global network for statistics. This is reflected in their slogan, Statistical Science for a Better World. ISI has received funding from the World Bank for statistical capacity building and is partially supporting this workshop today. A smaller group affiliated with the ISI is the LISA 2020 network of dozens of statistics and data science laboratories in 10 developing countries. LISA 2020 aims to build statistics and data science capacity to transform evidence into action. Now, one of the best ways to transform evidence into action is to summarize that evidence or data, to visualize the data, and then to model and analyze the data to make predictions and gain understanding, insight, and knowledge. This knowledge can then lead to conclusions and recommendations for action. To gain knowledge from data, we must analyze the data using a computer. Now, as you know, one of the funny things about a computer is that it will do exactly what you tell it to do. It will not compute what you should have told it to do or what you meant it to do, but rather the exact instructions you provide, nothing more and nothing less. So we need a system to be able to tell the computer what to do with our data. And the best system for that is the R programming language. And within R, the best packages to use are in the Tidyverse. The Tidyverse is designed for you to load your data, to manipulate and tidy your data, to make plots and graphs to visualize the data, to model and statistically analyze the data. The Tidyverse, in other words, opens up all of the tools of statistics and data science for you to use to best understand what your data can tell you. And that is what I love best about the Tidyverse in R. It allows us to use all of the tools of statistics and data science to turn our raw data into understanding, insight, and knowledge. And it makes it fun to program and work with data. But it's not easy. The computer will do exactly what you program R to do. So if you make one mistake, it will not do what you expect. And that can be frustrating. You have to be willing to put in hard work and learn from your programming mistakes. Fortunately, other people have made the exact same mistakes you will make. And they have learned from their mistakes, and you can learn from them. There are great resources to help you learn. The internet, your peers, the other participants in this workshop, your instructors. So when you come across an obstacle when programming in R, be confident that you can overcome it. Seek out help and offer your help to others. You can do this. Now, I want to send a special message to all of the women in this workshop. This is your year. This is the International Year of Women in Statistics and Data Science. It is especially important for women to learn statistical computing skills, because if only men have these skills, then only they will benefit from the extraordinary power of data and statistics. We need more women to learn these skills and use them to make decisions so we can have better research, more profitable businesses, and better policy for a more equitable, just, and sustainably developing world. Now, I'd like to conclude and like to thank the host of this workshop, LISA LCWU, Professor Kamal, as well as other instructors, and everyone else making this workshop a success. And of course, I'd like to thank you, the participants. You have made a great decision to learn the Tidyverse, and I wish you all the best.